WorldCoin, a platform that introduces a novel digital identity system through iris scanning using an orb camera, has made its debut in Kenya. By signing up for the WorldCoin app, users gain access to the WorldCoin wallet for cryptocurrency transactions. Kenya was chosen as one of the initial locations for WorldCoin's orb scanning operations, marking the platform's first venture into Africa. The country's tech-savvy and innovative population provides an ideal environment for the introduction of WorldCoin's unique identity verification system. In recent times, Kenyans have been eagerly flocking to WorldCoin outlets, driven by the promise of cash incentives and giveaways. The startup has managed to raise significant funds, around $250 million, and primarily offers World ID, an eye-resistant protocol that verifies the online identity of individuals through iris scans. To emphasize its real human verification, WorldCoin describes the service as a digital passport, facilitated by its physical imaging device, the orb. To attract more registrations, WorldCoin entices users with an airdrop giveaway of their digital currency, WLD, providing 26 WLD to everyone who signs up and gets verified. Additionally, they offer a weekly WorldCoin grants program, where Kenyans can earn a further 25 WLD, equivalent to 7,000 shillings. One of WorldCoin's key features is the introduction of a peer-to-peer, P2P, exchange, enabling direct digital currency and US dollar transactions between individuals, bypassing the need for a centralized third party. The cryptocurrency industry in Kenya has been experiencing steady growth, with increasing interest from the general population and numerous crypto projects emerging. To register for a WorldCoin account in Kenya, users need to download the WorldCoin Android or iOS app and create an account. The next step involves generating a QR code and visiting a verification location or station where the orb device scans their iris for identity verification. To withdraw your WorldCoins to M-Pesa, the first step is to convert your cryptocurrency into dollars. Then, navigate to the Dollars section in your wallet and select the Withdraw tab. From there, choose the option to withdraw to M-Pesa, enter the desired amount in dollars for withdrawal, select an M-Pesa agent, and complete the withdrawal process. The rush to sign up for WorldCoin has been fueled by the economic struggles faced by many Kenyans, leading them to seek quick ways to make money without fully understanding the potential risks involved. While WorldCoin's approach has been met with both admiration and criticism from the crypto community, its reliance on iris scanning has raised concerns about privacy and data protection. The Office of the Data Protection Commissioner, ODPC, has issued a cautionary statement, urging Kenyans to be mindful of their personal data and seek proper information about how it will be used before registering with WorldCoin. As the ODPC assesses WorldCoin's practices for compliance with the law, individuals are advised to exercise caution and make informed decisions when disclosing sensitive data. Despite the allure of quick gains, it is essential for users to understand the potential risks involved in participating in cryptocurrency-related activities and to stay informed about the regulatory landscape in Kenya. To get more news, leave a like and comment below this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the Kenyan News channel.